What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Innov 120, and my purpose is to test this Infinity 450 milliamp hour 3S battery. Finally, I have taken this out a few times with the B fight, the mini fight, and I was having some problems with the mini fight, and so now I'm back out here to finally test it with this Innov 120. And I do have these 25-35 props from King Kong on here, really liking those. But let's test this battery out. These props are really quiet. Let's do a punch out. Wow. So crazy combination with these motors. These are Sunny Sky 8000 kV 1106 motors. Let's try another punch out. Sheesh. Want some line of sight? Let's go to some FPV. My camera looks a little out of focus. Yeah, the camera's a little out of focus. Just circling around. Really quiet props. Really windy out here. See if we could bring it back over here. So can't really do nice FPV with a blurry image. Really cold out here, so I'm not expecting the battery to last too long. The battery's screaming at us. So I think that's it. That's it for the battery. So seems like a pretty decent battery, providing a lot of power for this thing. More than enough. This is an 8000 kV motor that's on here too. So that's why the punch is probably so crazy. It's a crazy combination. A 3S battery, graphene battery at that, with this high kV on 1106 motors. Really crazy punch out. Okay, so we're out here with it. It's hailing actually, but we're going to try to look at the amp draw. Let's make sure we got a good feed. Try a punch out. Crazy. Let's try it again. Try one more, hard one. That's crazy in this hell like this. Flips. Have some fun in the hell. Actually, let's bring it in and test this tattoo battery and see how it compares. Oops, butterfingers. Wow, so that was the tattoo battery there. So this is the graphene battery here, guys. So those punches that we just saw were from a 450 milliamp hour 3S tattoo battery. This one here that came with the Baby Hawk, that came for testing. So let's fire this one up. Now this is the graphene pack here. And the hail is starting to come stronger, of course. Okay. So we got the graphene pack now. Let's try it. This copter is crazy. Let's try it again. And one long hard one at the end, just like with the tattoo battery. Man, it seemed like it went a little higher though. Do some flips with this one. And this is a nice copter. This might be my favorite copter here. And these props here, these are the King Kong 2535 props. And I think they're clones of the Rotor X props, but I think this uses better material. They're really stiff. Let's do one more punch out. Flying in the hell. Let's bring it back. Okay, we're not going to make this a really long, drawn out video. Let's stop it. So that's it. Some quick testing and comparison of this Infinity 450 milliamp hour 3S graphene battery. And we also tested this one here, the Tattoo 3S 450 milliamp hour normal LiPo. Thanks for watching.